Hello everyone, I'm talking about food waste in Australia families, about SDG 12.3, Food Loss Index and Food Waste Index, and why households should be the main focus if we want real change. What if I told you Australian homes waste about 2.45 million tons of food every year? That's more than any other stage in the entire supply chain. Some people may argue that we should target farm and processing areas first, but the key point is this. A higher percentage doesn't mean a bigger problem. The total amount wasted in households is much larger, and that's where we can make the biggest and fastest impact. So the real question is, how do we fix it? This is where the government can play a huge role. First, I think is education. A lot of household waste comes from simple mistakes, confusion about date labels, poor storage habits, or buying too much. Clear national guidance, community workshops, and school programs can help families understand how to store food properly and how to use leftovers creatively. Second is digital tools. Apps can remind people when food is about to expire, help plan weekly meals, and track what's already at home. If supermarkets and the government work together, these tools can even link with receipts or packaging QR codes, making food management almost automatic. And third is incentive. Behavior changes much faster than when it feels rewarding. Supermarkets can be encouraged to offer smaller portion sizes to families doesn't overbuy. Casios can support composting or food scrap recycling program, and the community reward systems like points or discounts can motivate families to reduce waste week by week. What these solutions do is very simple. They make the right thing the easy thing by giving families the tools, knowledge, and motivation to waste less. We can reduce national food waste quickly and effectively. So even though production and processing losses look bigger on paper, the household level is where the biggest gains can be made right now, and with the right support, families can lead the way. That's all. Thanks for watching.